everyone, it's Zuri and my friend Sally with Stoop Swahili. We're here to give you a short lesson in beginner Swahili. And today's word is hewa, which means air. Hewa. Hewa. And to put it into context, we have the sentence.
She loves fresh air.
Anapenda hewa safi. Anapenda means she loves. Anapenda. Anapenda. Hewa, air. Hewa. Hewa. Safi, fresh or clean. Safi. Safi. Anapenda hewa safi. She loves fresh air.
Yes.
And that's all we have to teach you for today. Be sure to join us next time with Eavesdropping for Fun. Again, this is Stoop Swahili with Zuri and
Sally. Bye.
Kwaheri. It's Stoop Swahili with Zuri and Sally. We're teaching beginner Swahili on the Stoop.
Yay!
Just in case you all missed that song from the last videos I posted.
Yeah.